Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to go over a news roundup of everything that's going on. There's a whole bunch of FUD spreading around and that really pushed the markets even lower. Bitcoin taking yet another big hit, moving back towards $10,000, and same for the rest of the market, right? A lot of cryptocurrencies in the red, now moving lower, breaking through some important support levels. And just to give a little recap of what's been going on, a lot of cryptocurrencies were in a bit of consolidation, waiting for the next move to happen, and then a whole bunch of FUD hit the markets, which made cryptos fall once again. Now, the first bit of news that came out today was the attempted hack on Binance. Now, the details of the hack aren't fully cleared. There was definitely some kind of attempt, and what happened was a couple of hours ago, there were users of Binance that were reporting bunch of issues, from login issues, issues with their funds, lost funds, and that's what sparked things up initially. Pretty quickly after that, the Binance CEO addressed those concerns on his Twitter, and what he said was that all funds are safe, that there were irregularities in trading activity, and that automatic alarms were triggered. So there may have been some accounts that were compromised by phishing from before, but that they are still investigating and that all funds are safe. Shortly after that, he mentioned that they have localized the irregular trades and that they will be reversed. Once again, the funds are safe and that there was, a quick reaction to what happened. Now, he went over a couple more details about all of that, the phishing that happened. And finally, recently he said that Binance has reversed all irregular trades, all deposit, trading, and withdrawals are resumed. They are going to talk about the details of what happened pretty soon here. And that, funnily enough, the hackers actually lost coins during this attempt, and that all those coins that was from the hackers will be donated to the Binance charity. So he said that 2 hours ago, and there will presumably be more details coming out over the next day or so. But that's what happened with Binance. Now, that's already bad enough. Things like this really scare off the cryptocurrency markets. But there was unfortunately a lot of other little bits of news that did not help at all. One of the other major ones was that the MtGox trustees sold $400 million in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. The majority of that was in Bitcoin, of course, in between December 2017 and February 2018. And that coincides perfectly with the recent market, downtrend and pullback that we experienced, right? So this could definitely have affected a lot of what we've been experiencing over the past couple weeks. And over here it gives a little good summary of what's been going on. So wallets associated with the MtGox trustees saw significant withdrawals between December and February. The period in which they were sold, including 18,000 Bitcoin that was moved on February 5th. That's actually a day where cryptocurrencies saw steep declines that pushed prices down around 50% from their 2018 highs. Now, according to reports here, you can see that additional liquidations could be coming pending approval from the bankruptcy court. The trustee here still holds around $1.7 billion in Bitcoin and $197 million in Bitcoin Cash. So those are yet other amounts that could be sold further down the line. And I think what's really to keep in mind here is that things from the past like this in crypto can really come back to haunt the markets, and it's something that has been going on, probably will happen, will continue to happen. But you have to keep a bigger picture and keep in mind that a lot of what's going on is FUD today. Now there is somewhat bad news, like this MtGox stuff, but things like the Binance hack didn't actually affect things in a major way. It was more of a scare type issue, which is understandable, but that's just how it goes. Another bit of news that's not very fun to hear is that WaltonChain deleted the Alibaba announcement on Twitter and followed it up by this message. Now, to go over what happened yesterday, just to read the message here quickly, due to the current uncertainty of blockchain policies, our team has decided that in the future we will announce major partnerships depending on the situation so as not to affect the real implementation of blockchain technology. Now, that statement in of itself is not very clear to me, but what it comes down to is, it seems like they were kind of caught in some type of marketing lie, which, once again, has happened before in crypto. And in fact, WaltonChain was accused of this not that long ago. I believe 2-3 weeks ago, something similar happened. a lot of people lost trust in WaltonChain. And just yesterday, right, they announced this Alibaba type partnership, and that proved to be, somewhat false. So they've clearly been running into some major public relations issue, and a lot of people lost trust in them, which is understandable. WaltonChain dropped around 20% here today, so shaving off any gains that it gained yesterday. And there was also some U.S. regulatory news that came out today. So the CFTC basically announced that they were going to, start kind of cracking down on foreign crypto exchanges, basically foreign crypto fraud that's connected to the U.S. And other bit of news is that the SEC said that all platforms that are trading digital assets must meet the definition of a security must register with the agency as an exchange. So yet another bit of news that people don't really want to hear. And with that being said, this is the end of this news roundup. I'll be posting my daily crypto update very shortly. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.